How to grow a beard with a beard oil. What is a beard oil? Before we get into the video, I want you to subscribe to this channel and tell me down below in the comments saying you've subscribed, and I'll make sure I respond to you. For some guys, growing a beard is easy, but for some guys, growing a beard is hard. I'm saying this because I've also struggled with growing a beard. There are a number of factors that contribute to the slow beard growth. Some guys may just have low testosterone levels. Some guys don't just have the proper genes to grow a beard. And some might be affected by bad habits, poor diet, not having enough sleep, and stress. These are the factors that affect beard growth. The good news is that there is a product that has helped many guys out there to grow the beard of their dreams. It's called a beard growth oil. You might be asking, what is a beard growth oil? A beard growth oil is a mixture of oils that transports or deliver nutrients to your beard follicles and underlying skin. A beard growth oil does few things on your face, okay? The first thing that it does, it reduces that annoying beard itch. When your beard is growing, it starts to itch a little bit. It starts to the uncomfortability. You don't feel comfortable because it's growing, and sometimes it pains. Sometimes when you use a beard growth oil, all those pains go away. Yeah, that's the first thing that the beard growth oil does. It makes that itchiness go away. The second thing that it does, it makes your beard look smart and clean. But more importantly, they hydrate the skin underneath your beard. And when your skin is happy, your beard is happy. If you properly moisturize your skin, it may lead to faster and thicker beard growth. That's what you want, right? You want to grow a beard faster, and it should be thick. The ingredients or the nutrients that are found in this beard growth oil, they support beard growth in one way or the other. This beard that you're seeing on my face is a 3 weeks beard. That is achieved with the help of this beard growth oil. If you want to use the same beard growth oil that I use, I'll leave the link down below in the comments, and hopefully you're going to grab one for yourself and start using it and start experiencing the same results that I'm experiencing right now. Ask me anything about beard growth in the comments, and I'll respond to you with a video. Thank you for watching.